Hiya and welcome to itsycrafty and my unboxing of the Hummingbird Story subscription box from Simply Gilded. This is the subscription box for March 2021. I still haven't received February, but I'm happy to have March here. It's quite a huge box. And unlike all the other sub boxes, its orientation is going in a portrait style instead of landscape. But anyway, let's see what's inside. The first thing is the menu card, and that has a list of everything that's included in the box. And I'm going to dive straight in and look at the biggest thing first. This is pink and gorgeous because I love pink, and there is a hummingbird print inside, and this is a large pouch, and you can see it has a pen loop here. I'll just grab a pen off my desk. And you can see that that sits there nice and snugly. The pouch has a little hook here which you can hang charms off, etc. A little silver heart-shaped closure, and on the reverse of it we've got Simply Gilded. And there's just a couple of little rows of stitching there, which will be where the pen loop attaches. It's pink, I love it. The next thing in the sub box is this journal. So it looks like an A5 size, and it's a dot grid journal. And you can see there's a little foiled bow on the front there, along with the hummingbird print. And on the reverse, just the hummingbird print with a silver Simply Gilded. Then we have some cute and colourful sticky note tabs. They are super cute. They've got 1 to 5 on them, and you can see there's maybe, I don't know, maybe 20 of them. There might be a few more, might be 30. And they look like they're vellum. They look slightly transparent. So that's something quite cute and different. And then there's a bookmark charm. So this slides over a page. It looks like it'll do an A5 page. So you can see you can bookmark pages like this. And then you have the charms dangling down the bottom there. So we have a large silver bow and a nice sparkle little heart there. It seems it's a little bit longer even than A5, so you might want to shorten that. I think I'll probably shorten it, but it's cute. Then with the pack of stickers, we have the 2 usual sheets. And this sheet is silver and sparkly foiled, and we've got all of our date headers and some gorgeous full boxes there, and little bits of deco and little washi strips and flags. So that's the first page. And then the second page, we've got 2 more weeks of headers, and I love this one. Love that full box. And this one, your next chapter is the greatest one yet. Love that. And some cute little bows and some smaller headers there. Then there are the heart-shaped icons in a silver foil, and the heart-shaped date dots also in a silver foil. The half boxes, and 1 more beautiful full box with a hummingbird on it. And then some cute bow seals, 8 different bow seals, and we have the hummingbird print on 2 of them there. Otherwise they're just a pastel finish. Oh, there's a pink hummingbird print on this one. Then we've got the pouch with the pen and the washi in it. So that's got hope on it. The pen is absolutely gorgeous. Love, love, love the pen. It's pink and blue. It's got a little hope written on it there. Simply Gilded on here, and the little bow on the end. And it has sort of a bit of a glitter sparkle. It's beautiful. And then that will be a black gel pen like all of the other Simply Gilded pens. Nice. And of course the journaling card. Who can forget the journal card? And this is a pretty one with the books and the foil and the hummingbird. And there's also some little clear stickers here with books and hummingbird. I think this might be a mystery item because I don't believe I've seen that in the previews. And this will also be a mystery item, and this is a pen sleeve. It's quite soft, it's just a faux leather, and that's for popping pens in. Sorry I didn't show the mystery item at the end and sort of disclose I was going to show it, but I think there's probably been so many reveals of the March kit by now that I'm probably the last person to know what the mystery item is. And then the washi. This is what we're all here for. This is the washi from the Hummingbird subscription box, and you can see hopefully there's a hummingbird roll. There's a bow set in 15mm and 10mm, some books, and then 2 perforated washes, so they're 1.5 inch in length when you rip them at the perforations. And then these 4 at the bottom are the 5mm add-on washi rolls. I've just swatched them all here in my sub-box book, so hopefully this gives you a good look at them. You can see there's silver foiling on all of them. Just try and get them to catch the light there. And with the task washi, there's a lot more than those 2 words. There's a whole heap of different words. So that is the washi all rolled out there. I love it. I really, really like it. This has been the March subscription box from Simply Gilded called Hummingbird Story, and you can see here the selection of items that were included in it, in addition to the gorgeous, gorgeous washi. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. I've enjoyed looking at it, and I'm really looking forward to also receiving my February box, which is lost somewhere in America, but hopefully it gets to me soon. I've enjoyed unboxing this, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye!